Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So open up the settings app, now scroll down here to sound and vibration, and here make sure that the media volume is adjusted right here. You can also change the call volume, but you need to be in an active call in order to do that. Now make sure to disable do not disturb. So we have do not disturb in sound and vibration. Make sure that it's disabled right here, because it basically makes all notifications silent and you won't see them coming. And for some reason there was a glitch where when you had your do not disturb enabled, then your volume would be significantly lower. So make sure to disable it and test it out. Now what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills for an example. So here we have it. We can easily clean it with a soft brush for an example, or by using the compressed air, but I would recommend using the soft brush. Now what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button only, now swipe up to restart and let go with your finger. Our phone is now restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second after it restarts. After the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any audio glitches that may be there. So go over to settings, now swipe down to system and update and go to software update. Here it will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, my version is up to date. But if yours isn't and you have a button to update and install to the newer version, then make sure to do that to keep up with the latest version of softwares on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.